It's so beautiful. Ooh. What? Did you hear that? Hold on. Look, damn. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ada here as always. You guys, I cannot contain my excitement. Like, I am very excited. So I finally got my Dyson V11 animal vacuum. Of course, you know I do a whole lot of cleaning videos and all that, so this vacuum has always been on my mind. And guys, I have always wanted to get this vacuum, like get a really good vacuum that will do a very good job. So I am finally happy that I really got this vacuum. I can't believe this vacuum is here. Like, this is more like an early Christmas gift and I am so excited. I can't wait to open this up. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, my name is Ada and I do everything motherhood, cleaning, motivation, organization, and you know, some fun vlogs as well. And if you're new here, please welcome to my channel. Feel free to click on that red subscribe button down there and click on the notification bell as well, so you don't miss my next upload and you get notified anytime I post any new video. Thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by as always. I really do appreciate all your support. So without much talking, let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is what it looks like. Oops. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So yeah, that's it. This is the pack. So I think, you guys, I have a little visitor right here, so don't mind him. So this is the stick for the vacuum. So pretty, you guys. This is, camera don't even do justice to this. This is so beautiful. These are the parts for the vacuum. Yeah, these are the parts for it. Yeah, these are the parts for the vacuum. So, yeah. Oh, let's see what we have in here as well. This is another part for it. And this is where the charger is. This is the charger. On here we have another, I don't know what this is, but as time goes on I'm going to find out what all these are for. And then of course we have another one. Okay, this is the small mouth for it, and this is the ball head. Yeah, this is the, you guys, yo, this is the main head for this. Yeah, this is, it's a bit dusty, which I don't know why, maybe from the carton or something, but this is it. This is the wall hanging thing, like where you hang it on the wall. I think, yeah, this is for it, where you hang it on the wall. This is it. And it came with all the hardware for hanging it on the wall. It came with all the hardware. So this is the main vacuum head. A bit heavy, I would say. It's a bit heavy, but not so bad. So this right here is the main vacuum head. It's so beautiful, you guys. It's so beautiful. Ooh. What? Did you hear that? Hold on. Look, damn, like look at that. Ooh. This is crazy. I love this. Like you. It has this right here. It has the buttons so you can change to anything you want from here. You can change anything you want from here. It has the button. You know how many percentage of battery you have left and everything. It's on here. So you guys, I am in love with this. Like, look at that. Did you hear that sound? I am in love with this. So the next thing we are going to do now is I'm going to test it out. I've never really done this type of review before, but I'm going to test it out just for fun. So let me look for what to do because I need to test this baby out. Okay, my cleaning videos is about to be bomb. So let's test it out. Let's see how well it works and picks up this.
What does that sound?
That's so good.